What's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another lit video, baby. Hey, man, I had to give you a fresh update, man. I couldn't wait till tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? When you in these high-risk platform, baby, you need updates constantly. Just can't leave people hanging. That's what I be telling you, man. By the other YouTubers, they tell you something. Don't do a video 4-5 days, man. Where you at? What's happening? You know what I'm saying? You was all good when when you wanted me to get in. Now I don't know what's going on. But anyway, man, look here. FOMOSTAKE, man. Oh my God, man. This thing is at 3,600. It was at 3,659. This thing is at 3,665 just before I did the video. Look at that. 3,668, man. This thing. Oh my God, man. This thing is so awesome, bro. I'm talking about it's doing better than when BNBSTAKE first came. You know what I'm saying? But it's gonna do that because people was kind of hesitant with BNBSTAKE, and so because of the boss, the beast, people are more comfortable. So you got to give it up to the beast. Come on, contract. I can't read code. I don't want to see the code. I want to see the transaction. But look at that. 2 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 1 2, and this is in minutes. I ain't even counting all these little small by people just 25 seconds ago. People are people are eating this contract up, boy. Hey man, I can't believe. Hey, I'm in there too. You boy up in here. I'm talking about you boy up in here with 10 BNB. You feel me? Hey, I'm in I ain't even collecting. I got plan 6. I got plan 4 and plan 6. I'm going for the 28 day. You know what I'm saying? 28 days. If I can turn 5 BNB into 14, I'm good. If I can turn it 5 BNB into almost 10, I'm good. That's 24 BNB, baby. Woo! Let's get it. I love it. You know what I'm saying? They can't do nothing about it. I hate to be mad, man. But look at how much, I'm saying, about 36.72. But this time, I'm telling you, if you ain't in there, man, I don't know what. Bruh. And you know what this remind me of? This like Hex. I remember when people was so scared to get in Hex. Everything was scam. But you know me, I think for myself. I got in Hex. That's why I made the majority of my money in crypto from Hex. I ain't gonna even lie to you. From Hex. I keep it all the way 100. You know what I'm saying? And so now it's like this thing it's so awesome the way they got it. You can't deny it. Like you either not talk about it or get in it. Cause you look stupid talking about it at this point, talking bad about it. You know what I'm saying? We ain't got to the beast, the monster. And this is the hex right here. This is the hex right here. Everybody was hating on it, and you gonna get wrecked, it's high risk, and this and that, and that's a scam, it's gonna take, it's not, they were saying it was sustainable at 8% a day. It is an all-time high today at 15.7. This is strength. This is so much strength, guys. Like, you don't understand. You know what I'm saying? Like, people are coming out of these contracts constantly now. Like, everybody is coming out every day. Bunches of these things are ending. We on day 21, actually. So you got people ending these things all day, every day. They pulling out all day, every day. And for this contract to be still right here, bro. Let me check the contract. Let me check the contract. You ain't gotta take my word for it. But I'm just giving you an update on the strength of these contracts, bro. Of the strength. Look at this. 1, 3, 3. Look at this. 1. People are going in these contracts, man. Even with the little small amount, whatever they got, they are putting it into the contract. They still feeding the beast. The beast will feed you. It's just that simple. You know what I'm saying? You bookended it. You got a bookend. You got the new fresh one. You know what I'm saying? And you got the standard barrel. You know what I'm saying? You can't 8% of the day, bro. I went back in myself. I got put 2 more in. The more of these you got, the more money you making, bro. Every day. I don't even remember putting these in. So it ain't like it's like free money. It's like free money, bro. You see what I'm saying? Put 5 in over here. You know what I'm saying? I got that 1 right now. Might get it, might not. I don't know. Put 2 in right here on 18. You don't even need that but this. Bruh, 18. If you can't make it off 18%, then you don't need to be watching my video. You know what I'm saying? You'll have other people tell me, I'm making more than that, doing this, doing the way of that. Show it to me. Show me. Don't tell me. Show me. I don't care what you show me on a consistent basis, all day, every day. You making 18% on your money. You're lying. You know what I'm saying? That ain't no other way to put it. You lying. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no trader, ain't no forex, ain't no stock market. 18% a day, all day, every day. 19, 20 days. Well, not 18, but averaging. Right now the average is about 12. Because it started at 8 and it's at 18, average about 10, 12, 11, 12. But you be lucky to get, this platform can't even sustain 1% a day. You get a platform at 1%, it be struggling. That must be on the struggle button. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Flow. Flow still going. They're paying 1%. You know what I'm saying? Even they had to make some changes to make it last. But even at 1% is the struggle button. This thing paying out every day, all day. BNBSTAKE, man, you got to give it up. Well, I can't. And see, this the number right here. See, everybody like this number. This the number right here, bro. This is the strength. This the strength. 38,000 stake, man, that is. But hey, we gonna mess around and move the meter on BNB. Boy, we gonna mess around. CZ got to come see us. CZ got to come holler at us, baby. CZ, you got to come holler at us. We can make some changes. But anyway, man, hey, I just want to get out a couple updates. I mean, I can update this old Ether Connect. You know what I'm saying? While the market is all red everywhere. Red. Hey, we just sitting over here, Ether Connect. It's just paying out every day. You can withdraw. Just come over here. You know what I'm saying? Hit withdraw. And it's gonna make me damn sign in again. No, I'm good. All right, come on here and withdraw. You know what I'm talking about? Right here. I'm going. Put in your number. You can put in whatever. I have to put in a number. You know what I'm saying? Hit that preview. I put in the wrong number. I'm gonna put in too much. Well, there it is. See if I put that number in, I get 0.9 ETH. And you hit withdraw. It's paying out in Ethereum. You getting paid on BNB and Ethereum. Also, I don't understand. People are, hey man, you get in your own way sometimes. I sincerely believe that people get in their own way, their own mind, and I know it because this ain't never been done before, bro. We ain't never seen this before. So you tripping over yourself trying to impress people that you don't know. You trying to go on YouTube and impress people, trying to sound smart. This is scam, guys. Get wrecked, guys. It's not gonna last, guys. Shut up. You look stupid. Every day that lasts, you looking more and more stupid. You know what I'm saying? Let people make their money, man. 18, bruh? I just can't get over that, man. I tell you what you do. You don't believe me? Go to a bank with your phone or your laptop. Open this up and show them you making 18% a day. They're gonna tell you lying. They're gonna say the same thing. It's a scam. You lying. It ain't. Damn, Rona. Did the Rona creep up on me? Oh Lord, I gotta take a rapid test. Oh Lord. Anyway, they're gonna say, hey man, it ain't paying out. The withdrawal button ain't working. Every day we'd have come to this site, it works. Every day. Not some day, not half day. Every day we come to this site, the withdrawal button be working. You understand what I'm saying? So look here, man. Hey, it is what it is, man. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I mean, I don't know. Look at this, man. This is bro. This is ridiculous, bro. Oh, don't refresh. Let me refresh this thing, man. This is crazy, man. Hey, this is crazy. This is crazy. Look at that. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Two different addresses. You know what I'm saying? All different people. Look at that. 5.5. That is why people. Somebody put $134. What now? That was in BNBSTAKE earlier today. 154 BNB. Somebody know something. CZ, was that you? I think CZ done snuck up in here, man. I think Vitalik might have snuck up in here too, man. Somebody gonna run them wallets, man. I think the boy done snuck up in here. I think they have, man. But anyway, somebody just gonna give y'all a man. And I ain't even talked about man. I got my little Zilliqa payout. You see it? You see that Zwiz knock? You see it right there, man. Just free money, man. I ain't even talked about my Zilliqa. I ain't had time. Still gonna pay out again next Wednesday. You know what I'm saying? Look at that, boy, that total value. Boy, hey, man, it's too much going on in crypto right now, man. So if you're not making no money, man, I don't know what to tell you. You know, I know y'all like that delayed gratification. That what you waiting on now? Hey man, I ain't mad at you. I ain't gonna talk bad about you. You know, holler at me in October when you get your money. Anyway, we're gonna be over here running it up. I can't wait to see what it's gonna be in the morning. I hope it crosses 4,000. I think it's gonna cross 4,000 by the morning. This thing cross 4,000 by the morning, but that's gonna be crazy. Anyway, man, like the video, comment, subscribe, book in this thing, but getting both up, getting everything. Like I say, man, your boy in there just made a fresh deposit. The date, the 24th, baby, fresh. Holla at your boy.